conceptual project invisible to the soul. No one sees the Dogu Invasion in its entirety, but they conceive the art, a timeless legacy. High-fine ceramics, lasting through the years. Dogu portraits, ancestral tears, guides of life, sages and spies. From Quartz Hill to the world they rise. Individual portraits of our heritage so grand. The Dogu guide, holding life's hand. Wire finders, food sensors, tasting the earth. Navigators, sentinels, celebrating their worth. High-fine ceramics, lasting through the years. Dogu portraits, ancestral tears, guides of life, sages and spies. From Quartz Hill to the world they rise. Warren Sherrick Jr., the sculptor's dream. From Quartz Hill, a visionary's gleam. The scribe, the empath, the bard song. In evolving art they all belong. High-fine ceramics, lasting through the years. Dogu portraits, ancestral tears, guides of life, sages and spies. From Quartz Hill to the world they rise. A sentinel's watch, a sage's grace, in each Dogu, a timeless face. Evolving sculpture, a heritage so pure. Warren's dream, forever to endure. Warren Sherrick Jr., the sculptor's dream. From Quartz Hill, from Quartz Hill, a visionary's gleam. The scribe, the empath, the bard song. In evolving art, navigators, sentinels, celebrating their worth. High-fine ceramics, lasting through the years. Dogu portraits, ancestral tears, guides of life, sages and spies. From Quartz Hill to the world they rise. Jr., the sculptor's dream. From Quartz Hill, a visionary's gleam. The scribe, the empath, the bard song. In evolving art, navigators, sentinels, they all belong.